backpedal. John needs our help, bud. I know it's a little bit hard right there, hey? Yeah, I gotta be careful. You want me to carry you? Or are you okay? You want to follow right in the... Or you want me to carry you? Okay. That's some deep snow, hey? Let's start working on moving this out of the way. You good, buddy? Mudzillas were good. Oh. Yeah, I was starting to dig some snow here with my feet, and then
Martian man.
And then we laid down, and then I took a break. You got 2 shovels? Just one?
Oh.
True. I can get the small stuff with my hands. Yeah, don't do that. I should call Kathy and say we're stuck. She'd call us idiots.
Yeah, that's just great.
You're an idiot. It's a big field, hey Ian?
That was my plan, was to try and get stuck.
Yeah.
I succeeded.
That's all right. Oh, it just fell.
Dropping, buddy.
Yeah, I felt it. What are you doing, bud?
That's pretty freaking deep there.
To the back there. Ooh. Yeah. A lot of people always want the biggest, baddest machine, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Alex. That's all right. Almost. We're on top.
Heading back.
Heading back into a hole. Could try, but you can see where I went through there.
Yeah.
It's still really deep over there.
Actually, all I have to do is try and make that jump over onto your tracks. Still
Yeah.
hard.
Give it a try.
Oh, let's try riding her out.
Yeah. Yes. Come on, give her. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna bring out the winch. Take a while to get the snowblower out here. Good job, buddy. Oh, that's as far as that's going. I know. What the heck? You alright, buddy? Thank you very much. You're such a good help, you know that? Here, I'll carry you over there. It's easier for Daddy. Yeah, one sec. Okay, yeah. Keep going until I say stop. Okay, stop. There we go. Alright, just press it in a couple times. Just a couple times, just to... No, this one, remember? Yeah, okay, just keep it in. Yep, press and hold it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, good job. Hey, hold on. Whoa, whoa, Ian. Okay, try to come back a little bit. Okay, don't touch. Don't touch the winch, okay? Because we gotta unhook it first. As soon as I go momentum, I'm like, yeah, I gotta keep going. Yeah. Yeah, it was. That calls for a beer when we get back to your place.
I think so. Maybe two. Thank you, thank you.
Well, that was fun.
It's all part of it, man.
That's right.
I love them tires.
They're awesome. You wouldn't have never even made it out to here with those other ones.
I would have barely made it past that pipe.
Okay, winch in. Winch in, yeah. Good job. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that's it. Perfect, thanks, buddy. Okay, we're gonna go back, okay? Okay.
Nice. You know, 2 more inches and I'd be catching up to you already in height.
Oh, easy.
Wow. Man, that was fun. You're wet.
Oh my goodness.
I guess we gotta get you on so you can dry off. Okay. I'm going to the house and dry off a little bit.
It is okay.
Oh, those are nice tires.
Yeah, they are.